Okay, it's Thursday, September 14th. Just highlighting a trade I made on NVDA. I bought some 460 puts here at 770. They're up here to 840 or almost 870, a point higher. I just wanted to highlight this trade. I came back. I was away for the morning, and when I came back, I saw it kind of went down on the day, and it had kind of a rally, a little bit to the midpoint of the first bar. Then we've continued lower, and I didn't even catch this move here, which I would have normally bought puts to take out the low of the day. But when I saw this red bar form up in here, I bought the puts, expecting it to take out the low of the day. I'm looking on the daily chart. The reason I'm doing the puts here. I see a potential failure here, given the structure. We took out the high the previous day, and we're kind of coming to the midpoint of that day. So if we can really fail, we can head lower. And I see us taking out this gap down in here. So I still think we're going to take out this low. This was kind of a 2-day little pause here, and then we're failing on the day structure-wise. If we can come through the midpoint of this day, we can head to the lows. But I see us kind of getting into this gap down here in the bigger picture, which is in the 442 area, and the stock at the moment, is in the 453 area. I really thought high probability coming down. That's what I always look for. Are we going to take out the intraday higher lows? So obviously we're taking out those lows now. You can scale out and set up a no-risk trade. And see how much lower it wants to go. But again, it was more looking at the structure on the day, seeing the failure on this chart. If we can get through the midpoint of this day, maybe we go all the way and get an outside day, to the downside today, which would target 445 area. But I think even though we came down and on this bar hit a low, I still think we're going to go into this gap. So that's kind of the big picture continuity as we look at the weekly chart on the two down. Like I said, we hit our first target, but we didn't quite hit our second target yet. So given the structure on the day, push down, pausing, and then starting lower, I thought for sure we take out the intraday lows and then see if we can build a little momentum towards those targets down in the mid 440s down here.